Okay, I'll hold my belly now for the YouTube channel. Just kidding. All right, let me give you some examples to begin with. Okay, if I say simple ones at the beginning, and then it will be getting more and more difficult in a way. Yeah, these ones are simple ones. Yeah. She can speak German. She's able to speak German. Yeah. In this case, I can use can or be able to interchangeably. What is the function of can and be able to in this example? What are they referring to? Ability. When it comes to ability, you can use either of them. Yeah? Either of them. Now, another one. Did you get a new outfit? Were you able to get a new outfit? Here, is this possibility? Sorry, is this ability? Is this ability? No. What is could and be able to referring to here? What is the function? I just said it. Yeah, it's slipped through my lips. Yeah, possibility. So when it comes to expressing possibility, they can also be interchangeable. Okay. Easy one, yeah. The first one is the easy round. Sorry, you can't park here. Here I'm using can. What is the function of this one? Thank you. Say it again. Permission. Yeah? Permission. So I can use one of the many uses of can, yeah? In this case, in the negative form, is giving or not giving permission. So, can be able to for ability. Could be able to for possibility. Can't for permission. Yeah? Only can, can't for permission. Okay. This is easy, so I'll just go on when you give me green light. May I? Yeah? Ability, possibility, permission. Ability, possibility, permission. I got. Okay, next. If I say, now I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences. One of them is wrong. I want you to detect it. I was able to find the supermarket. Another one. I could find the supermarket. Another one. I couldn't find the supermarket. Another one. I wasn't able to find the supermarket. And the last one, I was unable to find the supermarket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences using, I believe some markers on the floor. Yeah. Here I have was able to, could, couldn't, wasn't able to, and was unable. One of them is wrong. No. Okay, first of all, what am I expressing with these sentences? First of all, I'm describing or I'm expressing that something was possible on a specific occasion. I'm going to write it down for you. Yeah? Something was possible. Yeah? Notice that this is the past tense. Yeah? The past. Something was possible. Yeah? On a specific occasion. Something was possible on a specific occasion. One of them is wrong. I'll give you another chance. This is not intuitive. Yeah, this is not intuitive. According to the rules, yeah, according to the rules of the English language, I could find I could find a supermarket. This one is wrong. So when you talk about something that was possible on a specific occasion in the past, you cannot use positive could. Trust me. So were you able to find the supermarket? Yeah, I was able. Yeah, I was able. Or no, I wasn't able. No, I wasn't able. No, I couldn't find it. Or yes, I could. No, it's not yes, I could. It's yes, I was able. Yeah, little rule. Nonetheless, this is so counterintuitive that it wouldn't be penalized so much in an exam. But just for you to know, this is the C2.1 level. We should begin, to know these little details and nuances of the English language. Another one. May I? Okay, I'll give you a sentence. It can get hot. It can get hot. Or it can get cold. At this time of the year. Okay. Another one. Who's that? Who's that? Could be John. It could be John. Okay, here I'm using can. Here I'm using can. Is this permission, possibility, or ability? Possibility. Is that a general possibility or a specific possibility? I would say it's a general possibility. Yeah? So let's say here general possibility. Yeah? General possibility. Here, however, I'm referring to John. Yeah? It could be John, or it could be my Amazon delivery. Yeah? It could be my Amazon delivery. This is also a possibility, but it's not a general one. This is a specific possibility. Yeah. And what am I using here? Could and could. So what is the lesson that the rule that we can get out of here? Here, can you say could in here? Instinct. Ask your instinct. It could get hot, or it could get cold at this time of the year. What does your instinct tell you? Does it sound good or bad to you? It could get hot this time of the year. It could get cold at this time of the year. How does it sound to you? Rebecca? It sounds good, yeah? It sounds good. So, in order to talk about general possibility, yeah, you can use can or could. Yeah? I repeat, in order to talk about a general possibility, you can use can or could. However, when you describe a specific possibility, you can only use could. So, if you say, who's that? It can be John. It can be my Amazon delivery. Sorry, that is not pure 100% correct English. Okay? It could be John. Specific. Could be my delivery. Yeah, my Amazon delivery. Could be. could for something specific. May I go on? Okay, I'll give you some more. Not much more, not much more. Let me go faster and faster. Okay, another couple of examples. It could get hot tomorrow. It could get hot tomorrow. It can get hot tomorrow. It could snow tomorrow. It can snow tomorrow. Okay, so what is going on here? I'm making a positive prediction about a future event. I repeat, this is a positive prediction about a future event. Positive prediction about a future event. Here I'm using could, here I'm using can. Another couple of examples. So it could snow, yeah? It could snow next week. It can snow next week. All right, do they all sound good to you? Would you say that some examples sound better than others? Which one sounds better to you? You're right, your instinct is right again. Trust your instinct. So when you make a positive prediction about a future event, could is the best answer. It could get hot tomorrow. It could snow next week. Could sounds much better. That is the correct option. Theoretically speaking and strictly speaking, yeah, these ones sound forced. These ones do not sound natural. Again, these are minor mistakes. If you say something like, "I can get hot tomorrow, it can snow next week," that's not the biggest of the mistakes. But strictly speaking, to the ears of a native speaker, that would sound not as good, yeah, or not as well as could. So positive predictions about the future, could better than can. I like your instinct. Okay, next. Sentence. If I say he can't get into that club, he's 17. Yeah, he can get into that club. He's 17. He couldn't have got into that club. Again, he's 17. He could have got into that club. He was 18. Okay, so what am I doing here? What am I using? What is the structure that I'm using in these examples? The structures that I'm using are can't plus infinitive, as you can see here, can get. I'm also using couldn't have plus past participle, couldn't have plus participle. And what am I expressing? Am I expressing something certain or uncertain? Sorry? Okay, to express certainty or uncertainty that something is untrue. Okay, let's say to express that, sorry, my bad, I asked the wrong question. That something is, this is the key word, untrue. Untrue, not true. Yeah? So he can't get into that club, he's 17. Am I expressing certainty or uncertainty? That something is untrue. Certainty. Yeah? I am certain. Am I sure or am I unsure about this? I am sure. So I'm expressing certainty, but certainty about something which is untrue. Yeah? And the same goes here. I can also use this expression, yeah? This one and this one, yeah? Couldn't have, but plus past participle. He couldn't have got into that club. He's 17. Again, I'm expressing certainty that this is untrue. Yeah? Untrue. Impossible. Is it based on evidence or not based on evidence? Based on evidence. What is the evidence? That I know that he is 17. Yeah? So, to express certainty that something is untrue, yeah? Based on evidence, I can use can't plus infinitive or couldn't have plus past participle. Yeah? Okay, now have a look at this one. He couldn't have gone into that club. Sorry, he could. This is positive. Sorry. He could have got, he could have got into that club. He was 18. Here I'm talking about the past. Yeah? Here, what am I expressing here? Possibility. Yeah? That something was possibly true or untrue in the past. True. Yeah? Something here, what I'm expressing with this one, could have got, yeah, which is the same as this one, but in the positive, yeah, form. This is negative, this is positive. So with the positive one, this is possibility that something was true. Yeah? Possibility something was true. Possibility something was true. Anyway, yeah, I will get the most important pieces of information here are can't plus infinitive or couldn't have plus past participle to express certainty that something isn't true. May I? Only 5 more minutes, then it will be over. Be strong, yeah? Be strong. It's difficult to erase, though. Okay, another example. Have a look at this one. If I say, he may or he might have time to visit you. Okay, this is the example that we saw a moment ago, that may and might are interchangeable. I can say, he may or he might, yeah, have time to visit you. Have time to visit you. Okay, I can say, it may or might, as they are interchangeable in this case, this or it may or might happen. Okay, what am I expressing here? Certainty or uncertainty? Sorry? Well, he might have time to visit you. He may have time to visit you. Uncertainty, yeah? To express uncertainty about the past, present, or future, yeah? Have a look at this. He may well have time to visit you. It may well happen. It might well. He might well have time to visit you. It might well happen. What is well doing here? Sorry, Rebecca? Making it, giving more possibilities to it. Yeah, I would say it's intensifying. Yeah, it's intensifying the possibility. Yeah, I would say. So this is optional. Yeah, this is optional, but it works very well. Yeah, it works very well after may and after might. Yeah, as an intensifier. Yeah, he may well have time to visit you. Yeah, well, it might well happen. Yeah, intensifying. Yeah, the possibility. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Let me erase this. Okay, have a look at this sentence. She may be a pain in the neck, comma, but she's your sister. She may be a pain in the neck, but she's your sister. Okay, here we have may. Yeah? Then we have a comma, and after the comma we have a sentence starting with but. Yeah? But she's your sister. So what is this sentence doing? What would you say is the relationship between the first sentence and the second sentence? Is it a continuity of the same idea or a contrast? It is a contrast. So we can use may, yeah, before a clause with but. So this is clause 1, yeah, clause 1 with may, and this is clause 2 with but. So what am I doing here? I'm establishing a contrast. Yeah. Well, she may be a pain in the neck, but she's your sister. Yeah. He may be rich, but he's stupid. Yeah. That's the first thing that came into my mind. Yeah. She may be okay. He may be handsome, but he's worthless. Yeah. Things like that. Yeah. Things like that. Establishing a contrast. Clause 1 with may. Clause 2 with but. After a comma. Yeah? Contrast. I'm erasing. I'm not asking for permission any longer. I just go ahead and erase it. All right, just a couple more, couple of examples more. We might as well. Okay. Do you know this song from Keane? Do you know Keane, the British band? Keane. We might as well be strangers in a moment. You don't know it? Might as well? No? Okay, I recommend you to check it. Might as well. Yeah, might as well. Which is this example. We might as well have a pint. We might as well have a pint. It's getting late. Another sentence. It's getting late. It's getting late. You may as well go to work. Okay. So, might as well have a pint. May as well go to work. What am I doing here? What is the function of these might as well, may as well, followed by an infinitive? What am I doing? Okay, it's a lovely day. Let's say, lovely day. It's a lovely day. We might as well have a pint. It's a suggestion, yeah? To make a suggestion. I would say an enthusiastic suggestion, yeah? Enthusiastic suggestion. Oh, we might as well have a pint. Or have a look at this one. It's getting late. You may as well go to work. It is a suggestion, yeah? Not necessarily only enthusiastic, but this suggestion is easy. Is the easy thing to do? Is the logical thing to do? Or is the best thing to do, yeah? the easy thing to do, the logical thing to do, or the best thing to do. There is no other better plan. There is no other better option. So we might as well have fine. You may as well go home. There's nothing better for you to do. Yeah, it's the easy, logical option. Yeah, might as well, may as well. Almost there, almost over. May I? Okay. Do you know the song from Bob Dylan, Forever Young? Forever Young, do you know it? So I'm going to write some lines from Bob Dylan. May your hands always be busy. May your hands always be busy. May your feet always be swift. May you, I don't remember, may you have a strong foundation. When the winds of changes shift. Well, this is actually not necessary. May your hands always be busy. May your feet always be swift. May you have a strong foundation when the winds of changes shift. May. What is Bob Dylan expressing there? Why is he using may? Maximum. Very good. What kind of wish? Would you say that's an intense one or not? Intense. Yeah, it is. To express a strong wish, yeah, a strong wish for something to happen, yeah, for something to happen. And I would say this is formal, yeah, or literary, yeah, formal or literary, yeah, quite formal, yeah. Okay, just one more. I promise, the last one. May I? Yeah. Okay, you might have told me you'd be out of town. Oh, come on. You might have told me you'd be out of town. Oh, you're late again. Okay. You might have told me, yeah, you'd be out of town. Here I'm using might have and then past participle. What am I doing here? You might have told me you'd be out of town. What am I doing? What am I expressing? Exactly, yeah. I am criticizing a person's behavior, yeah? To criticize a person's behavior. Can you tell me any other structure that you already know that can be perfectly substituted for you might have told me? You should have told me. So very, very similar to you should have told me. Oh, come on, you should have told me. You might have told me, yeah, that you'd be late or that you'd be out of town, yeah, to criticize a person's behavior. Have a look at this one. You're late again. You're late again. I might have known. You're late again. I might have known. I might have known. This is a set phrase, yeah? And meaning, Shema?
And we knew beforehand because something that happened quite often.
Exactly, yeah. I would say I'm not surprised, yeah? I'm not surprised, yeah? I'm not surprised and I'm not happy, yeah? And I'm expressing disapproval. I might have known. I might have known. Jesus, my English teacher, he was late today. I might have known. No, not in this case because I'm not usually late. But if I were usually late, then you could say, Jesus late. I might have known. In this case, it's not applicable because I'm not usually, only once. Okay, and then the final question I want to ask you, might have known. Let's establish a grid from less formal, less formal to more formal. From less formal to more formal, asking for permission, Asking for permission from more formal to more formal. I have a latte, please. Imagine that you are at a coffee shop. Can I have a latte, please? They use these Italian words nowadays instead of the original British ones. So the least formal way of asking for a coffee would be, can I have a latte, please? A little bit more formal? Could I have a latte, please? A little bit more formal? Quite very formal? May I have a latte, please? And that is the end of it in 99% of the cases. If you say, might I have a latte? Might I have? They will think you come from the Middle Ages. Well, maybe not from the Middle Ages, but from the 18th or 19th century, and they would be like, oh my God, he's speaking like in a very archaic, archaic, If you want to be archaic, maybe it's just to see here. If you want to be archaic, you can say, might I have? Next time you go to the UK, say might. They will be like, oh my God, he's so very formal. Might I have a latte, please? Might I have? Okay, and that's the end of this long grammatical explanation.